let's show you some new stuff we're into. We're doing a lot with AI right now. And there's two things I'd like to show you that we're involved in. One is the use of AI for coaching. And this stuff, folks, it's just crazy how fast this stuff has changed. Let me give you an example of what we're doing with coaching.
Let's first talk about our customers. They are unique, and they want different things than they did 10 years ago. Click each customer to learn more.
This is the more
I know
traditional
what I need,
approach, right?
and this is the solution I have in mind.
Avatars,
I already have estimates from 2 other companies.
What we're able to do with AI now is this.
Let's first talk about our customers. They are unique, and they want different things than they did 10 years ago. Click each customer to learn more. I don't care about features and benefits, but I do care most about value to the hospital and to my patient.
All of that is AI generated. And let me just give you a glimpse kind of behind
Let's
the curtain.
first talk about
Again,
it is up to you
hopefully
to adapt and
beneficial to
flex
you
so that you
guys.
have better sales conversations with your customers. As a result, your sales conversations will help the customer understand their needs more clearly, granting better outcomes for everyone.
So you start with the picture on the left, and all you need, you can use internal experts if you want. We're creating certain profiles that people want. But the key is if you start with a frontal picture without any expression, you can turn it into these. And
it is up to you to adapt and flex so that you have better sales conversations with your customers.
Now, how we're using that for coaching is this. The next step for us is, and let's say it's leadership coaching, manager coaching, you're going to be able to, through a query, go in and say, hey, I'm getting ready to have a critical conversation with one of my direct reports. Can you coach me on that? And using AI, that query will go into a database. It will pull out the relevant content and present that avatar as an expert. And that's going to be available to you, whether it's coaching. You know, some of these where we had the experts come in and explain what they think about things. So again, it's moving very, very quickly, and it's really exciting stuff. The other way we're using it is through remediation. And what I mean by that is the remediation piece now allows us to take existing content in a database and allow somebody to remediate, to go in and review, etc. So these are just databases of content that we created previously. And here's how this works. These are bots that we're creating. And what it does, you open it up. And again, the database that we're using for these bots is existing content. So it knows it's me. And it says, hi, I'm the assistant. You can use the quick start menu, which I'll tell you about. But what can I help you with? Well, I want to review, let's say, chambers of the heart. I query that. Now, what's cool is it's going into the database of content that they used previously. And we have actually got it so where it not only goes and looks at text, it goes and looks at videos, animation, etc. So the result of this is, I'll give you a textual quick summary. There's 4 chambers of the heart, etc. But the other thing it does is say, do you want to look at additional stuff? Would you like to see a video? Would you like to see animation? All those assets it now realizes are in there. I can open one of those up. And what it's going to do is it's going to take me to assets that aren't just textual. In this case, this is a piece that we've partnered on with Visible Patient. You guys know them, Anatomy. And I can go in here and actually do some really, really cool stuff with this. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way so I can better see the chambers of the heart. Let's look at some of this in a little bit better fashion. So again, AI, it literally changes every single day as we're working with it. But what I wanted to be able to do there is show you that we're using it in a couple of ways. Coaching, using avatars especially, and then as a remediation tool.